guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. My name is Claire, and on this YouTube channel I'll be showing you how to prepare delicious and easy meals. So kindly subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare mandazis. So without much further ado, let's get started. For mandazis, we are going to need all-purpose flour. We're going to need some milk. This is warm milk. We'll need baking powder, cardamom spice. If you don't have cardamom spice, or if you don't like cardamom spice, you can do without. We are going to need salt. We're going to use sugar and cooking oil. You can use butter or margarine, but I prefer using cooking oil. And also you can add in eggs if you like. So let us get started. So we are going to start by adding in all our dry ingredients to our flour, and then we will mix well. So let us add them. So I've covered my dough using cling film, and I'm going to let it rest for 2 hours, and then we'll be back to cook our mandazis. So let us let it rest, and then we'll be back. already ready. They didn't take long to prepare and they're so delicious at the end. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video every Wednesday. Remember to like this video and share to your friends and family. Until next time, bye guys.